calm. Focus on your breathing. Humming sound indicates imminent threat. The sound distorts reality. Trust no sensation. Anticipate a slow descent into madness, where rationality and reason dissolve into chaos and delusion. Avoid silence. The humming grows louder in stillness. Resist the urge to focus on the sound for too long, as doing so will lead you down a path of madness and despair from which there may be no return. Your mind will be assimilated into the collective of the appliance. If you possess the strength, unplug the device. But be warned, this action may trigger an accelerated manifestation of chaos. The urge to hurt others may arise as the humming distorts rational thought, prompting unpredictable impulses. Locking doors becomes imperative to prevent such impulses from manifesting and causing harm.